Welcome back, everybody. So, I had another company reach out to me, and they also, oddly enough, sell LED lights. However, they specialize more in bulbs. The problem is that Gladiator already has the LED package. So, having that in there really didn't make sense for me to swap them out. However, we also own a Jeep Wrangler JKU, and it is a sport edition. Being a sport, we have halogen bulbs. So it's the company is Auxito. I'm gonna butcher it, and I'm so sorry, guys. I'm awful with names. Brand name is here. I did a little bit of a before video of what it looks like at night. It's going to be kind of hard to see. It was raining that night. And these are a quick, easy bulb replacement style. So, for doing this, I literally just remove these two screws on this side and the two on this side, and I should be able to take them right out and swap the bulb out and put them right back in. There shouldn't be any issues with flicker, none of that. So, let me go ahead and I will get one done, and then I'll show you how to do it with the other one. Just so that I don't look like a moron on camera like I normally do. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, so I have one side swapped out, and I just turned on the hazards. So as you can see, this side over here is definitely not very bright. This side over here is much brighter. The only thing is that on the new side, as you can see, there's an empty space in the middle. I assume it's because of the way that the bulb's made. On this side, it's more centerized and less on the outside. Maybe I have the bulbs backwards. I'm not 100% sure. If they are, I'll swap them. These ones here, which, as you can see, have like a fan here, I have them currently in the brake spot, which makes sense. They're the ones that's going to be used the most. The other ones, and I'll have links in the description for both of these. These ones have lights on that side and all the other sides. So I have these as the reverse backup lights, which hopefully will help to project a lot better. And I say that because my wife's Jeep is very much tinted. And in being tinted, it makes it hard to see when you're backing up. So, I'm hoping that helps resolve that problem a little bit. I'll have to get that when I have a second person to be able to put it in reverse. But as you can see, here's the halogen. If you come over to this side, you can actually see the bulb right here. So it might project quite a bit further. Alright, let me show you how I put them in on the other side. Start, I'm going to take off these two screws, which I'll do pretty quickly. Shouldn't take but a dozen turns or so on each one. And then they will come out completely. So alright, so again, to pull from this side, and then it'll pop out. And when I say it'll pop out, it's a lot easier to do with two hands. So we're gonna armpit this. Oh, no we're not. There we go. See it? There we go. And you probably won't have this cover on. It's literally just a cover. But they come out this way and pop off that. You kind of just slide it out. Move stuff over. Okay. Now, on this case, top one, it's going to be this side. This one's our brake. And this one's going to be our turn signal. Or, not turn signal, reverse light. My bad. So, have the light here. You just kind of grab around here, pinch, pull. Should pop out. Grab the new light, In this case, this one's going to be my reverse light. Just push it back in, and then put it in the assembly until it goes in, then turn it to lock it in spot. So we'll do the same with the top. One's a little toasty because it's been on doing the hazards. And again, same case, just pop it in, slide it in there, lock and turn it in. Then just kind of tuck everything back up inside of here. So inside there, we just kind of tuck everything back in, which looks like I have wire harness here that came free from something. So I'll figure out where that goes. But as you'll see, with there's little tabs there. Those pinch between here, and then you lock it in with this pin on this side with the 2 screws going here and here. Just gonna slide that there like that, and lock it in place. Now we're just threading each of the screws. And once these screws are threaded in all the way, then should be able to go on in place. So let me thread those in. Those are much brighter than they were before. What's nice is they don't do the typical hyper blink that happens when you switch from a halogen to an LED. So that's extremely nice. Alright, well, let's cut to some night footage and you can see what they look like there. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this. Any likes help as well. Just trying to gain traction, guys. Thank you for watching, though. See you in the next one.